Hey there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve 10 squared in this fast and simple trick. I've got two for you. And in the first one is the normal one we do. We just take our first digit and we square the 1 and we have 1. 0. We take 0 and square it. We still get 0. With 100, even if we do this multiplication 1 times 0, even as 0 times our exponent, we still get zeros. When we sum it all up, we still get 100. So 10 squared is 100. Now this is M1. Now with our method 2, 10 squared means 10 times 10. Now what we do is 1 times 1 gives us 1. Then we add the zeros. How many zeros? 2. If you are not certain, let's do another one. Maybe 10 times 20. So 1 times 2 gives us 2. Now how many zeros? 0. So 10 times 20 also gives us 200. So try it in your next time when you get any question. Thanks for watching and see you next time.